You won't believe what my roommate did with the faucet. I'm a college student sharing a tiny apartment, and we both rely on the cramped kitchen. Our landlord warned us that any water waste would earn a fine, so I always double-check the tap was off after dishes. One morning, I woke to a shallow lake covering the floor, water streaming non-stop from the faucet. I remembered seeing the faucet's washer wobble loose weeks ago. Turns out the washer finally ripped out because my roommate had been pretending to tighten it, hoping the leak would stay hidden and the landlord wouldn't fine us. I was soaked and furious, called the landlord, and we got the pipe repaired. The repair cost us the fine we'd been trying to avoid, and the landlord gave us a stern warning about future leaks. Now I check the faucet every night before I sleep. I only trust a faucet I tighten myself.